Animations, one of the most important aspects of a show, which defines how good an anime can be, irrespective of its story. And today we're going to be talking about a good show which was ruined by its terrible animations. You guessed it right, it is Seven Deadly Sins, a show which we all have clowned upon for its animation in the third season. And when they announced the final season of the anime, nobody cared because we knew we would get Meliodas looking like his face got hit by a truck, but he survived instead of getting isekai'd. Get it? Truck? Isekai? I made a video where I gave my reaction to the trailer of the final season of Seven Deadly Sins, where I said something like this. Literally 35 seconds long. Come on man, even I can last for longer than that. But as you can see from this video, I had really low expectations going to the final season of the Seven Deadly Sins. But despite of all this, I'm actually really impressed with the animations of the final season, which looked really good. Okay, Studio Mavi Jack, I will forgive you for this one scene because the rest of the show was animated pretty well. But jokes apart, I really want to thank Studio Mavi Jack for all the hard work they have done to make the final season look good, which made me really like the show again. And so far the fourth season is really stacked with a lot of plot twists, cool fights, which was animated really well. And just by the fact that this is going to be the final season makes it even more special. And the pacing of the show is also really good and it's loyal to its source. They have not skipped any chapters or have not tried to rush through the story, because many shows these days are trying to rush through the story and are skipping many fan favorite arcs. You know which show I'm talking about. Now with the animation of the Seven Deadly Sins fixed, it is going to become a good show again. An anime worth watching, a show which can genuinely be enjoyed for its story and characters. But it still doesn't change the fact that season 3 has left a deep wound which cannot be healed. No matter how much it gets fixed, it will leave a permanent scar on the show which will prevent it from getting as popular as it should be. Now this is gonna be a bit out of topic, but I just wanted to address the issue with the anime community. The anime community has been growing exponentially in the recent few years to a point where you're not considered a weird and unsocial person if you watch anime. And with the growing community, there are many toxic fandoms originating. Toxicity has grown to a point where people are harassing the animators and the studio online if they mess up the animation or adapt the show poorly, which is really unacceptable. It is fine to criticize the show and give your opinion about it, but it's not right to straight out harass and send death threats to the animators. Don't forget that the people working on the show are humans as well. They have put their sweat and effort so that we can lay back on our couch and binge anime. And sometimes the series may not turn out how we expect it to be because of the impossible deadlines given or other problems which might arise during the production of the show. So respect the animators and the studio even if they do not end up with the desired result. And yeah, so that is gonna be it for this video. And I would like to thank Studio Mavi Jack again for making Seven Deadly Sins great again. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.